Are you sure that's a good idea?
Why, of course I'm sure. We start here. We walk and walk and walk. We attack by dawn. Hello?
But I don't think it makes too much sense.
What do you mean it doesn't make sense? It makes plenty of sense. We are here. Perfect. Okay, so here's the plan. We start off here.
Yada yada yada, we get it.
Shh. Then we'll walk to this point right here. Okay? And then we'll wait.
Yeah, we'll wait till dawn. We get it.
And then what do? We sing.
Yeah, like I said, it's the stupidest plan ever.
Oh, come on. We'll attack them with music. Why don't we just attack? Because we don't have any swords. Hello? But we have claws and teeth.
And teeth? Dummy, she just said that.
Really?
Oh, well, then we have claws and teeth.
Oh, whatever. We'll just attack. You guys can sing and die, but I'm attacking.
Who ever said that if we sing, we'll die?
Look, we're just gonna go into war. I mean, seriously, why not sing? Duh. Because we'll die, they'll just attack us.
I agree with Carmen. This really doesn't make sense.
But violence isn't the answer.
Yeah, that's totally right. So we should use, instruments. Like, does anybody have a violin?
I have a ginormous one.
Cool, let's go get it.
Okay, but I'm gonna stay here to reason with these two. Okay.
Well, you're right, it is huge.
Yep, it's my giant violin.
Well, let's open it up.
Whoa.
Does anybody know how to play a ginormous violin?
No. I guess I'm okay.
We need to know how to play.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, okay, what do you guys think?
I think it's beautiful.
I think we're gonna win this war.
Wait, there's more. Let me try it with this bow.
Maybe we should take the violin out of the case first.
They're beautiful, right?
Okay, no. Okay, so now it's out of the case. Now what?
Now we play with your hand.
Yeah, we can't play this instrument. You're failing. Here, how about we try a teamwork thing? Then it would probably... Nope, it doesn't work.
Okay, let's try this again.
1, 2, and a 3. 1, 2, 3. I think we're awful. Can someone stop the noise? That's hopeless. Let's put it back. I think they're gonna get the violin to work.
Why, I do.
Never mind, I think they actually got it. That didn't sound right. Yeah, I don't think they got it. Can you guys be quiet?
Okay, yeah, that sucked.
Yeah, it did, but we're gonna do better.
How about we just scratch that plan and attack by dawn? But violence isn't the answer.
Wait a second, why were we going to war again?
We were going to go and... Yeah, I got nothing.
Yeah, what were we going to war about?
I know! Because we're amazing? No, we were going to defeat the evil. Remember?
Oh yeah! Who was the evil.
Miss Amelia.
You mean that vampire shape-shifting cat? Duh. Yeah, I really didn't sign up for this, so I'm gonna go. Who's hungry?
Me.
What, is this the Hunger Games now?
I'm hungry.
It is the Hunger Games, I'm gonna run.
I guess some food wouldn't hurt.
Wait a minute, why is the Hunger Games called the Hunger Games if no one's hungry?
I have no idea. You can keep the map.
Cool.
Wait. I went the wrong direction. The kitchen's this way!
Okay. I guess I'll go eat.